Did you know that there's two different types of perfume? There's oil-based perfume and there's alcohol-based perfume. And today in my class, we made alcohol-based perfume. So to make alcohol-based perfume, there's 3 different types of alcohol, but you can only use 2 of them, which is ethanol and IPA. Please do not use methanol because methanol will cause skin cancer.
When I heard we were making perfumes today, I thought it would be easy, but I quickly realized that every little measurement matters. If you make one mistake, the whole thing will change completely.
Mr. Clovis really made the class fun today. He didn't just stand and teach. He made everyone try something and answered questions. He made sure everyone understood before moving on.
Today, at the science lab, it was so much fun. Firstly, we measured fragrances carefully, such as lavender, citronella, ambipure, and lime. Together, they form our perfume concentrate. After that, we mix it with isopropyl alcohol using a ratio of 1 part fragrance to 2 parts alcohol.
So propylene glycol is going to help us to actually what? Maintain what? That scent. That means that what? That perfume on you. Is that okay?
I never knew making perfume was actually chemistry. Today we even use monopropylene glycol to help the fragrance blend together, and I also realized that perfumes are made with science and not magic.
After mixing everything together, we covered the container and shook it very well. Then came my favorite part, filling our own branded bottles. Seeing it look like a real perfume made me feel so proud.
Today's lesson wasn't only talking about perfume, it taught us patience, teamwork, and confidence.
At St. Mary's Summer Camp, we don't only learn from books, we create experiments and we discover skills we never knew we had. Today was perfume. Tomorrow, who knows what's next?